Excuse
Varisha,
me, ma'am.
wait a minute. Varisha, camera is off. Please turn on your
Excuse me,
camera.
ma'am.
Kavisha. Vaninya, I said wait a minute. Kavisha, turn on your camera, please. Dheer, turn on your camera, please. Kavisha and Dheer, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavisha, turn on your camera and mute your mic, Dheer. Yes, thank you. Kavisha, turn on your camera, please. Khush, yesterday you were not there, no, in the class. I will send you the recording of yesterday's.
Ma'am, we want to take out our maths notebook, though.
Yes.
Oh,
So, Kavisha, again, I'm telling you, please turn on your camera.
ma'am, which page number?
I will tell you. Okay, students, I will ask few questions from you on the base of the concept which we have done yesterday. Okay. So, the first concept which we have done yesterday was rupees into paisa.
Ma'am, it is so easy.
Rupees into paisa. Priyag, try one example based on rupees converting into paisa.
8 rupees is equal to 800 paise.
Very good.
May I can say?
Meet one example. Rupees into paisa.
Ma'am,
Yes. Arnav Desai. Yes. Meet rupees into paisa. Give me one example.
ma'am, can I say? Meat.
Meet MEET meet.
Mm, ma'am, 5 rupees,
How many pesos?
500 paise.
Laisha. One example.
Yes, ma'am. 7 rupees is equals to 700 paise.
Very good. The next example.
9 rupees is equals to 900 paisa.
Jania, one example.
Yes, ma'am.
Jania, you need to be concentrate in the class. You need
Ma'am.
Jania, you need to be very quick and concentrate in the class. I will go
Okay.
to next child and then I will come back to you and then you will tell me what I was asking from you. Mir Virani.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your camera is blur.
It will come within after 2 3 seconds.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, it's really blur.
My dear said it will come. Prayag, is my board coming blurred?
No, ma'am, it is not coming. Ma'am, it is rupees into paisa. No, ma'am, but yes, ma'am, it is blur. It's all blur. I don't know how it is. Ma'am, because it is a light, it is so blur. That light, it is so blur like. Ma'am, it is coming.
Now please
Ma'am, I
check.
can tell an example.
Wait a minute. Now please check my board.
It is proper. Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear.
And nothing is written here on the board, so let me write and then I will discuss with you all.
It is okay, ma'am.
Okay. Keep your mics off now. At Adna, without my permission, you will not turn on your mic. Mir Virani, rupees into paisa.
Yes, ma'am, I can give an example.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, 87 paisa and 20 rupees.
I am
87
asking
rupees.
rupees into.
87 rupees and 20 paisa.
Okay.
Ma'am, its answer is 8,720 paisa.
Okay. Jania, yeah, now you tell me rupees into paisa.
Um, 27 paisa.
Rupees into
Rupees.
paisa. हाँ.
27 rupees and 30 paisa.
How many paisa then it will be?
Yes, ma'am. Wait. Ma'am, 227,300. 27 rupees and 30 paisa.
27 rupees 30 paisa equals to how many paisa?
Ma'am, 27,030 rupees.
27,000?
No, wait. 200. 2,000. Ma'am, 2,730 rupees.
Paisa. 2,730 paisa, not rupees. Deep Patel, give me one example.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 30.
Not Dirg Patel, Deep Patel. Then I will go to Dirg. Yes.
37. 37 rupees is equals to 3,700 paisa.
Okay. Ahana, one example.
Ma'am, of rupees into paisa.
Yes, rupees into paisa.
Ma'am, 8.45.
What 8.45?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, may I say
Ma'am, you are
example?
stuck. Ma'am, 2 minutes. All 2 minutes, ma'am. In come in 2 minutes only. Ma'am, network has lost because. Ma'am, you are stuck.
No, ma'am, you are not stuck, but
Screen
your
is
screen has
blurred.
become blur.
Your screen is very is blurred. Ma'am is joining from another meeting. Ma'am, can I drink water? Ma'am,
My dear, listen to me now. Mute your mic. Mute your mic, Mohammed. My dear, now listen to me. I'll explain you what had happened just now. Sometime when my network is connecting from one device to another device, it happened one time in a day in any of the class. So if it is happening, you need to be quiet, and within 5 minutes or 2 minutes it will be clear. Got it, everyone? Yes, when I'm connecting the device, when my network is coming, then it is when it is connecting, it happens in one of the class. Got it? So
Okay,
if it is
ma'am.
happening, you to be aware about this, that what is this, you need to be quiet in the class and then wait. Teacher will rejoin it fast. Okay?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, now
Yes,
mute your
now
mic
mute
and
your mic.
Mohammed go for water. Go. So as I was asking the question from Ahana, as Ahana, please explain me how to convert rupees into paisa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please can you give a example?
I have already given the example, and many students also given the example.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
2 rupees equals to how many paisa?
2 rupees is equals to 200 paisa.
Hmm. Now you try your rupees and paisa.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 4 rupees is equals to 400 paisa.
Kavisha, give me one example. Khush Desai, turn on your camera, please. Varija, turn on your camera, please. Bhakti, sit properly. Kavisha, please give me one example how to convert rupees and paisa. Yuk Surana, why you are late today, bacha?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting so much.
My voice is not cutting, dear. Your voice is cutting.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes, Varija, your voice is cutting. Can you please check your network, bacha? Okay, in this class, I'm not getting very good responses. If I'm calling your name, you are not answering me. What should I do now? Tell me, students, what should I do? Kavisha, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I've already
Ma'am,
announced
you
your
are
name.
audible.
I've already announced your name to give me the answer on this. How to convert rupees into paisa?
Yes, ma'am. 3 rupees is equal to 300 paisa.
86 rupees is equals to how many paisa?
86. 8,600.
Hit Kasoria.
Yes,
Hit Kasoria, if I say 2675 paisa, converted into rupees and paisa.
ma'am, 26 rupees and 75 paisa.
So I will write 26.75.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will not write paisa at the back if I am putting the decimal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next child, Hansel Jariwala.
Yes, ma'am.
Hansel,
Answer
oh my
Oh
god,
my God, mute your mic.
lot of disturbance is coming in your mic. I will write the question here, you will give me the answer in the chat box. 4,500.
507. Now clear.
Mute your mic.
Mute your mic. Ma'am, now clear my voice.
No, no.
No.
Still lot of echoing, voice is echoing. 4,572 paisa, converted into rupees and paisa. I write it in the chat box. Varinya, Varija, and Kush Desai, Harishik Bajaj, turn on your camera, everyone.
Example.
I will call your name.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Okay. Please give me fast. Ansel has written in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. He has written.
Ansel, my numbers are 4,572 paisa. Write it into rupees and paisa. Yes, Vananya, please go.
Ma'am, your camera is very blurred.
Students, my camera is blurred.
No. No, ma'am. It's clear.
Varenya and Varija, today you facing the network issue, bacha, for voice, for camera. Please check your network.
Ma'am,
it's full.
So it will be 45 rupees 72 paisa. Got it, everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will move to the today's topic. This was the revision I have taken. Now I will move to today's topic. Today we are going to learn addition. Take out your notebook. Everyone, addition and subtraction of money. So first we will do addition of money. Topic is addition of money. Now I am going to write the sum on the board. Everyone, please write along with me. Add rupees 7.25 and rupees. Is the board coming visible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Rupees 7.25 and rupees 5.40.
Ma'am, it's blurred.
It's blurred. Okay, I'm going to present my screen and I will show you on the
Ma'am, it is
presentation
not
screen.
blurred.
Okay, ma'am.
If my board is coming blur, I will show you on the presentation screen. See, look here. Can you all see the sum? Add rupees 7.25 and rupees 5.40.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now along with this screen, you can please look at my board also. Along with the screen, my board is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So make two columns. One is for rupees and one is for paisa. Write the rupees in the rupees column and paisa in the paisa column. Always please note 2 digits should come in the paisa. So 7 rupees 25 paisa and 5 rupees 40 paisa, and add it and tell me what is the answer coming. 5.
12.5 we have to make columns, hours and minutes.
Yes, please write it down in your notebooks, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
So it will be what? How many
Ma'am,
rupees?
12 rupees
Yes.
65 paisa.
Yes. Now I will not write rupee sign and paisa sign before this number because I have already made a column with the rupees and with the paisa. So it is understood that which is coming under the rupees is rupees 12. Paisa is 65 paisa. Can you please note down in your notebooks now? Same way you need to do the second sum also. Yes?
Excuse me,
But
ma'am.
I didn't understand the rupees one.
Yes, Priyag, you ask first.
Ma'am, we have to write what is image of the our currency rupee.
Yes, yes. Symbol also important.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana, what are you asking that you have not understood?
Ma'am, I have not understood that in rupees why 7 and 5 will come.
I've already given you add rupees 7.25 and 5 rupees 40 paisa. So before the decimal are the rupees and after the decimal are the paisas. Got it, Ahana?
Yes, ma'am.
So write it 7 in the rupees column and 25 in the paisa,
Ma'am,
5
it's
in the rupees and 40 in the paisa. Got it? My
Yes,
board is visible to you all along with my
ma'am, it's
screen.
visible
Thank you.
clearly.
Please write. Please
Hello,
solve the
ma'am.
second
Now
sum.
we will do. Hello, ma'am. Now we will do that subtraction of no.
First of all, do 2 sums of addition. Second
Ma'am,
sum is also there on the screen.
Ma'am,
Second
done.
sum is also there on the screen.
So we must
30.
start doing
I'm
that.
done.
No?
Yes, please start doing the second sum also by your own. Second is 38 rupees 45 paisa and 56 rupees 25 paisa. Please do it fast. And always remember till 99, if it will come in the paisa, if it is 100 paisa, convert the paisa into rupees. So if there are 100 paisa when you are adding, so how it will convert it to the rupees. How many rupees you will add into the rupees?
1.
Yes. Please write fast.
Hello, ma'am. I have done this two sums, so I can write the heading.
Yes, you can write the heading subtraction of money. New page.
I also done 2 sums.
Very good, Hit Kasoria. Hit Kasoria, write the symbol also. Mohammed, are you writing in your notebook?
Am I done?
Okay. Both the sums?
Yes, ma'am.
As from this 2 is done. And subtraction.
Let everyone complete. Students, just please let me know that I will move to the subtraction now. Done, completed?
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
wait,
Completed.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, now I will move to the subtraction. Hmm. Subtraction 44.25 from 68.75. So when you are subtracting, which number will come first?
Excuse
Ma'am,
me.
The
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 biggest,
biggest
number,
number.
the
The
biggest
bigger
number
number.
will come first.
only ma'am.
Yes. Someone is
Was
saying,
the
excuse me.
ma'am was the second sum of plus.
My dear, I have already asked, no, that should I move? And you all said, yes, ma'am, move. Wait a
Ma'am, please,
minute.
I want to see one number only.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I give you an idea?
Wait. Now you can see.
Ma'am, I can give you an idea.
Yes, please give.
You can write in the chat box the sum.
Yeah, anyone can help me and write.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what
Wait.
we
I am just presenting the screen for Varenya Vareja. They have not completed. Let them complete. Then I will
Ma'am,
move to subtraction.
wait.
Completed? Okay. Now I will move to the subtraction heading. Please write subtraction of money. Now the 68.75 will come up because from the big number only possible to subtract the small number. And 44.25. Don't write the way it is written here on the board, on the screen. Write it the same way. Make the rupees and paisa column and then add. Oh, sorry, subtract. Same way the second sum. Will you able to solve it, students?
yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Please, please do this.
Excuse me, Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is just like what it is like I
Meter,
just
centimeter,
but
kilometer.
What, ma'am?
We have done no meter, centimeter,
Yes, ma'am.
kilogram,
Like that
gram.
only. We cannot exchange the smaller, bigger to the smallest and
Yes,
smallest to the bigger.
yes,
yes.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am,
Got
but
it?
I have not to make the
Excuse
column.
me,
Ma'am, it is so easy. It is there.
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Yes, ma'am. I by mistakes
Oh
added
my
the
God.
subtraction, so I scribbled the whole
What?
sum. I've accidentally added.
Okay, so do it again.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Arna.
Ma'am, I can don't attend HRM because my mother, Dada was expired. Mother told me to in Tema. I want to go them because I can don't attend HRMs.
Okay, but you know, no, HRM, what are we
Yes,
discussing?
yes, ma'am. I know.
We are going to discuss about the Independence Day also,
Okay,
right?
okay, okay,
So
ma'am.
please, please, everyone, I'm telling you, don't leave the class today. Be there for the HRM also.
I am not there, so you can send HRM recordings.
No, HRM recording is not possible to send, bacha. HRM topic is we are going to discuss about the Independence Day.
Ma'am, but can you send the yesterday's?
Yeah. Yesterday's class recording I will send
But
to,
ma'am, today
to
is
you
Lion
only,
Day.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priya.
Because
But
yesterday
ma'am, today is World Lion Day. So I have prepared a speech also.
Okay, I'll give you a time for that also.
Okay, ma'am.
Please write it fast, students. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am. My mama can talk to you.
In HRM. Tell her to speak with me on HRM.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move now? Subtraction is done.
Not
My dear Mohammed HR. Everyone mute yourself. Mohammed HRM is every day. Every day there is HRM from 12:20 to 12:30. Okay? HRM का day नहीं है कोई. Got it, Mohammed? Now I am going to tell you how this addition and subtraction are useful for word problems. Be quick, students. Be in the word problems means in the story problems means in the real life situation how you will apply the addition and subtraction of money. हमने पढ़ा कि ऐड कैसे करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं पर उसका एप्लीकेशन नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न that how addition and subtraction of the money is applicable in the real life situation.
Children, when we go
Is this
for
audible
shopping,
to you?
we buy a few number of
Yes,
saman.
ma'am.
I am going to mute myself. I will not speak in between. So if you want to ask your query, ask at the last. Listen it properly.
Shopping, we buy a few number of some items. For example, we may buy 4 packets of chips, 5 bottles of Coke, and so on. In such a situation, we must know to multiply the cost by the number of items bought. Let us do a problem for this. Find the total cost of 4 packets of chips at rupees 9.50 per packet and 5 packets of nuts at rupees 12.2.
As you all know that multiplication is a repeated addition. If you have taken a one packet which is of 12 point something, or you can say rupees 10, if I am asking what is the cost of rupees 5 packets, either you can add the 10 5 times or you can multiply 10 by 5.
5 per packet. So children, always remember that if you know the price of one item, you can use multiplication to find out the price of several similar items. Okay children, sometimes during shopping, you know about the price of several similar items and you have to know about price of.
Now children, I will ask from you. Can you all, anyone make the story problems or the real life problems based on the addition and subtraction of money? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Varinya.
Ma'am, word problems.
Yes, story problem, word problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, me and my mom went to a shop near my house. I don't remember the name, but it was there. Then my mom just told me when we are walking through the store, she told me that you have to multiply whatever we think, you will get a extra chip.
I'm asking from you, make a rupees or column that you have purchased some items and add them. Based on addition,
Okay.
you make the story problem.
Okay. Um.
I'm going to next child. By the time you get yourself prepared. Yes, Hit Kasoria.
Ma'am, by mistake I raised that.
You cannot say that I've purchased pen of this amount, I have purchased eraser for this price, and what is the total amount I have paid.
Ma'am, can I use?
Yes, you please try, and then I will move to other students. Yes,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Once I was going on the cycle, I saw a store. I went there. I saw there one pencil, one
Pencil of
pen.
rupees, how much you purchase?
I purchased pencil of rupees, 10 rupees,
Hmm.
10 rupees, and then I saw
Nothing is in paisa.
no, ma'am.
Okay. So we write two
And
zeros.
yes, ma'am. And I bought a pen of rupees 15.25 15 rupee 25 paisa, and a box of cricket
Jania
balls.
is busy in talking.
A
Well, I
bo-
don't know why what she is doing in the class.
it
Ma'am,
was of it was of 30 rupees. 30 rupees 25 paisa.
Can you now add them together? How much you have paid to the?
Yes, ma'am. The total amount is 50 paisa,
Hmm.
and 55 55 rupees 50 paisa.
ma'am, I can go because my mother is
Yes,
calling.
please go.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, is this some word problem correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
Rishik Bajaj, make a one word problem.
Ma'am, I my mistakenly leave the meeting. What we were doing?
We are doing the story problems. I'm asking the story
Okay.
problems once. Yes, Rishik Bajaj, make one story problem. Your voice is not coming, Rishi. Should I move to the next child? You, your voice is not coming, Rishik. Yes, please. Next child, Deep Patel. Make one story problem.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are going for buying a cycle. Ma'am,
Jania, everyone, please write the story problems in the chat box. Fast. Write the story problems in the chat box. I will read the chat box also.
ma'am, I am going for a trip and I saw a pen, a full bundle of pencil that is 20 rupees. I buy that and a eraser.
मेक अनदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो ना पेंसिल और इरेजर से भी बाहर निकलो हम बहुत सी चीजें खरीदते हैं बच्चा हम फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स मेनी थिंग्स वी बाय खुश डिसाइड इट प्रॉपर्ली
Then, ma'am, I buy a, a Monopoly that is rupees.
मोनोपोली ओके
No,
रुपीस
ma'am,
हाउ मच
Snake and Ladder that is 100 rupees.
100
No, I am saying Snake and Ladder
of rupees how much
100.
okay children please frame the word problem in the chat box I will read your word problem
Ma'am,
I know Mir Virani Write the story problems in the chat box, students. 100, how many paisa?
Ma'am, 0.
Okay, so nothing here in the pesas in both the situation. So when we add them, this was the story problem based on the addition if you speak, right?
Yes.
So how much total you have paid to the shopkeeper?
120 rupees.
Yeah, same way you can make on the subtraction also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can
Yes,
I?
please. Yes.
Ma'am, my body will coming.
No one will leave the class. I will continue the HRM in this class only. Yes, Priyag.
Rima and Seema were going to shop. They
Hmm.
want to buy 2 toy cars for their children
Hmm.
and 3 chip packets for them.
Hmm.
So toy car rupees is 15 rupees.
Paisa?
Nothing, ma'am.
Hmm.
And chips is rupees 21. Paisa nothing.
Hmm.
So they want the 2 of them. So 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 30 rupees, and 21 multiplied by 3 is equal to 63. Then we will add 63 plus 30, so is equal to 93 rupees.
Very good.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Very good. So, students, the addition and subtraction, the concept which we have done today.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, very good. Meet has written. I will read it later on. Now, listen to me.
Can I?
Listen to me, Varinya. The addition and subtraction, the topic which we have done, I am going to send you the Google form based on it. You need to solve the sums in your notebook properly and then click the final answer in the Google form. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students. Varinya, you please either write in the chat box or tell me in the next class. Okay.
HRM?
Now